Well, students, I am going to discuss very important topic related to matrix, that is to solve the system of equations in three variables. It is just for 6 marks in CBSE board generally. So we are taking one question based on it. Let's have x plus 2y x plus 2y minus 3z equals to 6. Another equation, 3x plus 2y minus 2z equal to 3. And last one, 2x minus y plus z equal to 2. Again I am repeating, x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 6, 3x plus 2y minus 2z equal to 3, 2x minus y plus z equal to 2. So how we will do it? We have gone through the matrix multiplication. So I am converting this equation form into matrix form. Matrix form, that is all the coefficients 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 1. Again x, y, z equals to 6, 3, 2. This equation A of the form Ax is equal to B, where this A is called the matrix of coefficients, X is called the matrix of variable containing three variable x, y, z, and B is called the matrix of constants. Again I am repeating here, A, matrix of coefficients, X, matrix of variables, and B, matrix of constants. Is it clear? Now this is nothing but the simple product of two matrices. Look here, if I am converting 1 into x plus 2 into y minus 3 into z, that is equal to 6. First equation. Second, 3x plus 2y minus 2z equal to 3. Is it? Again 2x minus y plus z equal to 2. That is the same one. So we have converted into the form of matrix. Now we will find the value of determinant. The value of determinant must be other than 0. If the matrix gets its determinant 0, it is called singular matrix. We have discussed it earlier in your previous notes. So look here, now I am going to find out determinant A, that is equal to determinant 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 1. And this is equal to expanding this determinant with respect to R1. Look here children, 1, its cofactor deleting row and column in which this one is. This we get 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1. 3, sorry, 2 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 plus minus plus minus 2. Again we are deleting this row, this column, we get 3 2 minus 2 1 3 2 minus 2 1 plus minus 3 times, again deleting this row, this column, 3 2 2 minus 1 3 2 2 minus 1. So simplifying 1 into this product 2 minus of this product minus of plus 2. Minus 2 this 3 minus 4 multiplication changing the sign plus 4 plus minus 3 into minus 3 minus 4. Again simplifying 1 into 0 minus 2 into 7 minus 3 into minus 7, that is equal to 0 minus 14 plus this is equal to plus 7. This is not equal to 0. This means A matrix non-singular. And also imply determinant A not equal to 0. It means A inverse exists. Have a note please. Now I am going to rub it because the space is very short. Yes, so we have got determinant is 7. Now students, for in continuation, for adjoint A, that is adjoint A, we are taking the list of cofactors, that is A11, A12, A13. Again A21, A22, A23. Lastly, we are taking A31, A32, A33. You look children, for cofactors we take the power of minus 1 to the power n is the sum of the suffix. So obviously if the sum of the suffix 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, if this is odd we will have the additional minus sign. If it is even then no sign as usual. So you look plus minus plus minus 2 to 4 plus minus plus minus plus. Now A11 first row first column 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1. A12 first row second column 3 2 minus 2 1, 3 2 minus 2 1. A13 first row third column 3 2 2 minus 1, 3 2 2 minus 1. Similarly A21 second row first column 2 minus 1 minus 3 1, 2 minus 1 minus 3 1. This is minus 3 1. Again A22 second row second column 1 2 minus 3 1, 1 2 minus 3 1. Next, that is A23 second row third column 1 2 2 minus 1, 1 2 2 minus 1. Next A31 third row first column, look, third row first column, that is 2 2 minus 3 2, 2 2 minus 3 1, third 3 1 third row first column 2 2 minus 3 minus 2. Again look here, 3 1 third row first column 2 2 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 2 third row second column 1 3 minus 3 2, 1 3 minus 3 1 3 1 3 minus 3 minus 2. Look here, this 3 third row second column 1 3 minus 3 2. Again 3 3 A33 third row third column 1 3 2 2, 1 3 2 2. Now we are simplifying these determinants. First, this product, as usual, this product changing their sign, that is 2 into 1 2, product is minus 2 and we are taking minus extra, so minus 2, that is 0. Again minus outside 3, product is minus 4, so changing the sign plus 4, that is equal to minus 7, minus 7. Again 1 3, that is this product minus 3 minus 4, minus 3, product is plus 4, so changing the sign minus 4 we get minus 7. After that minus outside 2, product is plus 3, changing the sign, resulting is inside minus 1, so plus 1. Again this is 1 minus 6, changing sign, plus 6, that is 7. Now minus 1 outside, this is minus 1 minus 4, inside minus 5, changing the sign, plus 5. Now this is minus 4 minus minus plus 3 to the 6, that is plus 2, minus 4 minus 6 plus 6, resulting. Again minus outside we take minus 2 plus 9, minus 2 plus 9, resulting inside plus 7, outside minus 7. Now A33, this 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Now we are writing adjoint A. Adjoint A, that is equal to, see there is a dash, this is equal to transpose of matrix of cofactors. So if I am taking the matrix of cofactor, that is A11, A12, A13. So I am directly write it as adjoint A. Though these are making a row, transpose, this will make column. So this is equal to again a matrix, that is 0 minus 7 minus 7, 0 minus 7 minus 7. This first. Second column, this will be here. That is 175. 175. Third one, the remaining three elements. 2 minus 7 minus 4. 2 minus 7 minus 4. This is adjoint A. Please have a note. Is it clear? Yes. Now, should I rub it? Okay. Just listen. We have got adjoint A. I am rubbing. Now, A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. So A inverse is equal to, what is determinant? Determinant, that was 7, I think. Determinant 7. That is 1 upon determinant 7. Now I am going to write adjoint, that is 0 minus 7 minus 7, 1, 7, 5, 2 minus 7 minus 4. This is adjoint. Now by equation A, we have A x is equal to B. This implies x is equal to A inverse B. So x is equal to A inverse 1 upon 7, 0 minus 7 minus 7, 1, 7, 5, 2 minus 7 minus 4. B, that is 6, 3, 2. So we have got it as x is equal to 1 upon 7. I am going to multiply them. 0 into 6 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. Again minus 7 into 6. 7 into 3 plus minus 7 into 2. Third one, minus 7 into 6 into 6 plus 5 into 3 plus minus 4 into. Now we get it as x is equal to 1 upon 7 into 0 plus 3 plus 4. This is minus 42 plus 21 minus 14, again minus 42 plus 15 minus 8,
minus 8,
minus 8. Now this is, we are coming to the concluding step just within few minutes. Wait and watch. Look here children, x is equal to 1 upon 7 into 7, 2142 that is minus 35, and again minus 35, that is x is equal to x, y, z is equal to, dividing each element by 7, 1 minus 5 minus 5, so this implies result x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 5 and z is equal to minus 5. This is answer worth for 6 marks. Okay, have a note please.